How's it going, guys? Today I will represent you, in my opinion, one of the most cheapest projects where you could enter and you could mine cryptocurrency. The project called Acurast, and it's using mobile phone computing power and sharing it to the developers, which could use that power for different purposes, different apps and dApps creation. So it's quite fundamentally strong, have a real world use case, and very easy to set up. So here you could see my phones here. I would say not the most nice cabling here, but nevertheless it's still working and still giving me the rewards. So as you could see, you could use whatever phone you like. Just needed that it should be working, and it should be the Android version 12 plus. Some of the Android 11 still working as well, but best way to keep looking for Android 12. So let's take a look on this. For example, you see the screen is broken, but nevertheless it's working and producing me the rewards. So these phones is like $5, $10, $5. So it's very cheap, and you could easily get it on a second-handed market for very good price. So basically, I'm looking for the Android series phones, more or less like a S series, because they have a possibility to connect to the monitor, and you could easily to set up the phone for the Acurast. So I will show you how I do it with the broken phones and the broken screens onto the computer. Okay, so here I have two phones, both are broken, and another one with showing screen, but touch is not working. So for this kind of situations, these phones are normally quite cheap. That's why I like it, and that's why I want to onboard them for the Acurast. So for this situation, I'm using this adapter. You could buy it in Amazon or whatever store, like for maximum $10-15. So you connect it to the phone. Okay, so I connect the charger, HDMI and USB mouse to the phone. The phone itself showing nothing, but when you look to the monitor, you could see it, everything working perfectly. And with a mouse, you could control your phone. So whenever you need, you could just erase everything and install apps. And you could run the Acurast on it without any problems. Isn't that cool? So here is another phone, and I would like to show you how to onboard the Acurast. You could onboard the Acurast in two ways. So it's like Acurast Core and Acurast Processor Lite. Both are giving the same rewards. So if you say like want to use phone for other purposes, like for other apps or airdrop farmings or whatever, I will recommend to onboard on the Processor Lite, which means you are downloading the app from Google Store and very easy set it up. If you wanted to set it up as a core, please follow my last video on it. So here I will show you how to onboard Processor Lite in a few minutes. So you just search for Acurast Processor Lite, you download it, open it, and then you could proceed with a few options. So if you want to add all phones on one admin on one console, you should select connect to console. And if you just have one phone, for example, you could use, which will create a separate console for you, and you will start mining. Since I'm having plenty of phones, I want them to connect on the console, so I will select this option, and then you could see that it's pop up scanning the QR code. Right, so where to get the QR code? When you go to the Acurast console in a computer, you select devices and new device. Okay, then it lets you connect to the sub wallet. You could use Talisman wallet or MetaMask wallet. It's working as well, no problem. So I'm unlocking, then asking to sign in, and here it's a QR code. So I will take a phone and then scan the QR code. Right. So for this, you need to set up work profile. Select this. Then it's asking to set up your work profile, so you just agree with the pop-up settings. It's taking a few minutes to being created, so be patient. So you could see processor is onboarding, devices are testing. So wait patiently to process complete. So here you go, we could see that it's attested and active. So that means your telephone is onboarded and you could start mining Aku testnet tokens. Hope you like my video. Please give me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting mining videos, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.